Chai. See okra soup wey go Harvard oh. This okra soup this scatter my bololo. Jesus, look at this now. When you're watching. See me, I believe that I know how to cook very, very well. I don't know whether I hype what I hype myself or but watch am. If you watch am, you now tell me, make I not go to hype myself unnecessarily. Can you really no? See now, this okra soup oh God, watch. Just watch. Watch till the end. You see? You see? See what I'm doing. See what I am doing. If it easy, run and make we see. If you say this thing easy, run am, make we see. Oh, you know easy, and one thing with me be say I dey like to hype myself. These are say info from tree. If nobody praise am, he go praise himself. I'm praising myself. You see this soup? I kill am. I kill am. If you say I no kill am, if you say I dey praise myself unnecessarily, drop your comment, make I hear you. You see this soup? Oh my goodness. This is called original okra soup, where they cook the way God made it. So everything is as it should be. No frying, straight to the point. You understand? Okay, this soup I made it for me and my family. You see, I don't to get money for that big fish, big meat. Now this is how I get money for. You understand? But still, the thing enter na. Look am na. Oh. Hey, I make a tell you now. Wetin I no know. I like okra soup. I fit eat am 30 times in a day, no shaky. See anything? Okra soup. I better leave am for me. Leave am for me. Oh, shiniki. Ha! I don't tell una say I like smoked fish. The flavor they make me they go to you understand? You understand? Okay, I say make I run this one for una. Make una see how to cook better okra soup. Better one, if you want to cook better one, see, I don't just add my pepper, crayfish, uziza seed. You understand? Nice, now you might add soup. Can they add maggi? Add salt and small now because the other salt I put I know today. You understand? When you come bring the come make the soup enter well. You understand? One thing with me, I don't sabi fry okra or fry all this one, so this one na uziza leaf. I like uziza, both the seed and the leaf. So I like to cook my okra direct. I know they like too much drama. Yes, I don't like too much drama when it comes to cooking. I do my things straight to the point. Yes, if it is a runner. See now, I don't just add my okra. My okra don't enter pots. And me, when I like to use ogo vegetable for my okra soup. See, you get how the thing they do me for body. The thing they make me to feel the thing they scatter my dada. The thing they do me to the. So, but I'm not going to cook this thing too much. You know, say a vegetable, I'll just break them down. Understand? Oh yeah, now you now confirm the soup now. You see, confirm this soup, confirm. Jesus, confirm this soup. Fine, that's so sweet. Oh, in the enter my medulla oblongata. If you went up to this point, it means that you the thing enter your head to Abby. Just subscribe here. We go give you another better ones. Plenty things where you feel run. Follow us. As far as you're following, you go see better. As far as you're following us, you go see better. Thank you for watching. Bye.